beautiful moment. Cody Sanchez, I believe is how I say her name. She said that the success rate in that business is 1%. That means I'm part of the 1%. I successfully built brands that were worth over 7 figures. And my Amazon storefront was worth over 7 figures. Like I've had offers to buy it even to this day. The storefront itself, because it had such a high rating. Guys, this is business and we expect trading. And I think the internet broke us. The internet makes us feel like, oh my gosh, I didn't make my 20 grand today. And yes, that does happen sometimes. Again, I talked to somebody the other day, like I had 20 grand days, but to expect that every day is why most people fail long-term. The internet is breaking the business concept with these flashy, huge concepts. Yes, you can get there. It depends on your starting point. I cannot go compete in a hard body competition next month. I'm not ready. I would need a good 3 to 6 months of work and then get ready for the hard body competition. I'm just being real with you. That's realistic. At some point, we have to take where we're starting from. If you're starting from your paycheck to paycheck, you've got $1,000 account, and then you've got this $500 personal account that you're, self-trading, and you expect that to be your life-changing $20,000 situation, it's just not a thing. It's impractical, and that's why people fail.